So this problem is taken from the Phillips Exeter Academy handbook, right? I think this is a wonderful, nice little problem. They describe this angle of depression because you are going down, right? Well, just for fun. But anyway, this is the angle. You are sitting on a cliff and you saw a boat. And you realize that between you and the horizontal, there's a 90 degree, right? And then the boat move further away, this angle becomes what?
Oh, no, it's a second boat.
Ah, second boat. Okay, sorry. So we know the height of the cliff is 380 meters, and we want to compute these two lengths, right? So the first thing is we have to simplify our diagram. Forget about the cliff, forget about the boat. The key is how to build two right triangles so we can solve this problem, right? Why don't you guys do that?
So what we actually have, we have a right triangle over here, right? And a similar.
Let's do another one.
A longer one over here. And if this is 9 degrees angle, then I know that this must be 9 degrees.
Why is that? Right? We are using the important relation is this angle and this angle are what? Are the same, right? If you don't want to use that, then you draw what? The perpendicular this way, and then you know this is 380, the same thing, right? But no matter what, these two are alternate interior angles. So let's mark this. This is 9 degree.
And that one is 5 degrees.
Right?
So
now with this help and with your calculator, can you find the length you want? So what are the lengths we are looking for in this right triangle?
This one, we'll call it x.
Okay, let's call it x1, and this is x2.
Okay.
Right? Now, based on what we learned, what is the trigonometry function we can set up? It has nothing to do with hypotenuse, right? So what is the trigonometry function we do? It's not between sine, it's not between cosine, because those are all involving hypotenuse, right? So it must be involving tangent, right?
Right.
So why don't you guys complete the solution?
What we have is that 380
over x1
is equal to
tangent 9, right? So we can rewrite this as x1 equal to 380 times divided by tangent 9, right? So you have to think about this is a number, right? So you move it here. This number is kind of like point something or something, right? So we put it here.
And then we can compute it. And tangent 9, you will learn how to compute it in the next section, but for now, let's say what it is approximately that value. So our distance is approximately 2399 meters.
Yes. So why don't you guys repeat almost the same process and complete this part?
So if we call it x2, x2 is going to be 380 over tangent of angle 5. And tangent of 5 is approximately 0.0875. So our distance is approximately 43 meters.
So before we move on to other exercise, you guys have to understand one very important thing. The ratio of these two numbers is the ratio of the two tangent values. Because if you divide, the 380 cancelled out is between tangent 9 and the tangent 5, right? But this is not equal to what? 9 over 5. Okay, this is very, very important. We find a way to describe how big this angle is. But it's not as nice as, oh, it's 5 degree and 9 degree is 5/9, then these ratios are 5/9 too. They are not in that sense. Okay, it is not even close to the 5:9 ratio.